Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Whip back with another makeup tutorial. So today I will be creating this purple soft glam look for my client. Guys, today is her prom day, so it's gonna be like a lot of prom videos coming up. So she's getting her makeup done for the first time, she told me, and she showed me her dress. Her dress was like dark purple with silver like beadings on her dress, like silver diamonds and stuff like that on her dress. But she told me she want like a light purple with the dark purple because her nails were light purple, which were like what is the shade again? I forgot the shade, you guys. But you know what I'm saying. But so she had like light purple nails or whatever, and she wanted me to do that with her makeup. So here I am using my Morphe pencil and jlaure to fill in her brows. And I'm also going in with warm almond from Milani, and I'm concealing her brows. Yes, she was so sweet, and she's so cute. And here's a close-up. So I went in with P. Louise base in 0. I just took a little bit, not too much, and I just applied that onto her eyelid. Now I'm going in with that dark purple, and I basically took this shade from the bperfect palette, and I'm just placing that into the crease. I was really scared to use this shade simply because I've used this purple before, and it's very, how can I say this? It didn't mix well with other colors. I did it on myself, and I was pretty scared. But once I applied it on her lids, everything was alright. So now here I am going in with some concealer, and I'm just tapping that onto her eyelids. Now I'm going in with a lighter pink, and I said lighter pink. I'm going in with a lighter purple shade, and I'm just tapping that into onto her eyelids, exactly where I placed the concealer. I kind of did a little bit of mixing. I did like purple, and then I did a little bit of pink, and I went back to purple just so that it wouldn't look too much of a pink. So that's what I basically did, and I'm just tapping that onto her eyelids. Now I'm going back with that dark purple, and I'm just taking away that harsh line from the purple, and I'm just making sure that the colors blend in well together seamlessly. Also, you guys, I found doing the brows at the top last kind of like time consuming, like it took too much time. So I've done it to a few people like her. I've done it to her, but I was pretty fast with her makeup. But I've done it to other people, and it just takes too much time. So with that being said, I don't think that's something that I will be doing again. I don't want to say again, but I wouldn't be doing it so often. I'll probably just stick to doing the brows first, and and then moving on to the next step. But yeah, so now I'm going in with Sephora's jet black eyeliner, and I'm just creating this wing liner for her. Then I go in with some jlaure's white diamond pigments, and I'm just applying that into the cherda. Excuse me, y'all. Now I'm going in with MOM. I know you guys told me about this, but you guys, I got a bottle sitting here, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes my clients ask for it. So it's just like, I'm going to get to the cameline lotion, and I'm actually going to try the milk primer again. I had a client, I used it on her, and she basically told me like her makeup, like she has really oily skin, so the milk primer did not do the job well. But yeah, so I mean, I'm not gonna say like her makeup was all over the place and I don't think it was. I think she just realized like the oils coming about like on her face, so that's why, or whatever. But yeah, so now I'm going in with the foundation Zambie from Nars, and I'm just placing that all over her face with my Instapop flat brush. And on top of that, these prom girls, for some reason they're having their proms outside. I guess because of COVID. But yeah, so like they're having their prom like outside, and I don't know why they would do that to these kids. Like, come on, really? Like, they get their makeup done, they look cute, get done, and then you're gonna put them outside? So now I'm going in with warm almond to highlight, and I'm just using this setting brush from Real Technique, and I'm just blending out the edges of where I applied the concealer. Also, you guys, I go in with a lighter concealer, and I believe it was in deep tan. I don't know what happened, but it got cut out the video. But I went in with a lighter concealer to highlight under her eyes, and it was deep tan from Milani. And here I am, I'm just still blending out that concealer. Blend, yes. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite part. So now I'm going in with black opal to cream contour, and I'm just blending that out with my Morphe angled brush, and I'm just blending that contour out, child. Also, you guys, I just have so much to do, like as far as like I need to find like the perfect lighting. I feel like this is perfect, but it's like something's missing. Like, you see how I get on that side and it's like super bright? Like, I want to be able to fix that. And then on top of that, I need to get some curtains. I can't wait to show you guys the room. It's like, I believe 80% is done. But once it's done, you guys, I will give you guys a whole tour of my studio, so you guys can see how it looks back there. I'm obsessed with it. I love the way it looks, and I just can see how it's gonna end up looking once I'm completely done. But here I am going in with Laura Mercier and Honey to set her concealers, and I'm using a beauty blender to do so. Now I'm going back in with Black Radiance, and this is their medium to dark powdered contour palette, and I'm just using the same Morphe brush to powder contour. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier and Honey, and I'm just carving out her contour. Then I'm going in with some blush. Now I'm going in with these large fluffy lashes. So you guys, I do sell lashes and eye contacts. I never really advertise them really like that, simply because I wanted to get a website. But I'm working on that, but because I'm working on getting new lashes. But she bought these lashes for me, and baby, they were so cute. And my power went out, you guys, because it was raining, it was storming so bad. My power went out, but then the power came back on. And you guys, I have a story to tell you guys. So recently I had a client who makeup I did this past weekend, and it was her prom day, and it was pouring raining. I'm talking about raining so bad, it was raining so bad. So I was doing her makeup, and while I was doing her makeup, tell me why the power went out. The power went out, and I was just like, come back on, because you did this already, which is this video. I was like, come back on, because you usually just come back on. Oh my gosh, you guys, the power never came back on, and I was doing her makeup in the dark. Let me tell you how I was so mad. I wanted to cry, because I was just like, this is her prom day, and I'm doing her makeup in the dark, and I had to hold my phone to look at her face. I had to hold my phone to highlight. I used my flash to see what I was doing, and I was doing a colored liner. So you know how that is, you have to really see what you're doing. And she ended up helping me. She was so sweet and nice. She ended up helping me with her phone, pulling out her flash so I can make sure I can see. You guys, all I did was her brows and her shadow, and I had to do the rest in the dark. I was hot, I was sweating, I did everything in the dark. And you guys, the lights came back on when I was setting her face with setting powder. And when I seen her face, I was like, thank God she looks good, because I was like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. And she was telling me, she was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you kept doing my makeup. She was like, if it was me, I would have stopped doing your makeup, because it's just what am I supposed to do? And she was just like, I can't see. And then she was like, you're really a pro. Tell me why this girl went on in IG and she posted her pictures so much. She was like, I love my makeup. And her friend even texted me and was like, yo, she was so obsessed with herself that night. And I was so happy, because I was just like, wow, I did her makeup in the dark. I wish I had the full video to show you guys, because I honestly don't have the full video. I just have the part where I did her brows, and I was about to do her liner, and then the lights shut off, and then I just turned off my camera because I was so mad, and you guys couldn't see anything. So I should have just recorded, and maybe you guys would have been interested to watch, but that's what happened, girl. But I'm glad she loved it, and that's all that matters. But this completes the look, you guys. I'm just going in with some face powder, and then I go in with my Morphe setting spray and highlight. And this is the end of the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.